Thank you for stopping by Mother's Barbecue. This week is Valentine's Day, and you can go out and try to hit those overpriced restaurants. You got to wait in line, or you can cook something special at home. This time we're cooking a ribeye steak with a homemade Montreal seasoning. So let's get going. So to make our Montreal seasoning, we're going to start with some salt. This is kosher salt. Some black pepper. Got some granulated garlic. Some granulated onion. Some crushed chili peppers. Some dried rosemary. Some dried thyme. And some coriander. And that's it, nice and simple. It's a very basic Montreal style seasoning. It's perfect on beef. You can use it on chicken if you want to. But we're gonna get our special little ribeye coated up with this. All right, so here's our Angus ribeye steak. As you can see, these have been cut into hearts. I thought it'd be pretty cool for Valentine's Day. This is gonna be awesome. We're just gonna lightly coat our ribeye steak with our Montreal seasoning. That's it. We're gonna let this hang out, and we're gonna get our bullseye grilled fired up to about 500, 600 degrees. So let's get going. All right, so we're just over 400 degrees. We got our grill grates in. Go ahead and close the lid. We're gonna give this about 1 minute, about 60 seconds. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do a little crosshatch on this. And we'll give this about another minute. And we're gonna repeat that process once we flip it. And we're looking for an internal temp about 130, 135. All right, so here we go, our ribeye, our heart-shaped ribeye. We got internal temp about 135. When I pulled it, I went ahead and tented it with some aluminum foil for about 15 minutes. Always do that after you grill some any kind of meat hot. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. Go ahead and take a little piece of this. Nice and medium rare. Let's give this a try. Man, I love ribeye. That Montreal seasoning gives it a nice good saltiness, some peppery, some little spice to it. Really killer flavor for beef. Why go out and spend the money on seasonings when you can just make it at home fresh? Make enough for it that you store in a bottle yourself. Have it whenever you need it. I always like making my own rubs. This is a killer beef rub, so you guys got to give it a try. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. Cook your special someone a homemade dinner on Valentine's. They deserve it. Or not, just do it. I'll see you guys on the next run. Thanks for watching.